What's up, people? Welcome to the channel. I'm out here in my backyard. I was doing a few things. I decided to go ahead and grab my Pocket 2, my DJI Pocket 2, bring it out here and do some testing on it. Just got this a couple days ago and I'm pretty excited about it. I did a little bit of recording with it when I first got it, not a whole lot, but I plan on using this for doing video reviews and stuff like that, a little bit easier. Instead of carrying around a mirrorless camera, I figured this might be a little bit easier to put in my pocket, take somewhere, fire it up, and just do a video. So just going to be your average, everyday person using it, and we'll see how well it turns out. Right now I got the wireless mic hooked up. You guys can see here the little fuzz ball, and I'm actually looking at myself on the screen that's on the Pocket 2. And we'll go around and we'll see how this works. Alright guys, so the first thing I want to test out here is I have my app open, and probably one of the coolest things is the active track. So I'm going to put a square around my face here, so it's got me locked in, and we're going to move around here. And it lost me. I think the camera's having a little bit of a problem here tracking me, because from what I can tell is it's a little dark. So over here it's a little bit better lighting. We're gonna see here if it can track me a little bit better. As I get over here, it looks like lighting gets a little bit darker. It seems to be following me all right. So if I'm doing a product review or something, you know, and I got to move around, but I want the camera to follow me, this really helps, not having to have a second person here man the camera. So it's pretty cool. Obviously, I don't have to carry my phone around with me. If I wanted to, I could put my phone down right next to it, move around, and my phone's going to be a bigger monitor, and it's going to allow me to see if I'm getting tracked by the Pocket 2. So right now it seems like it's working pretty well. Might have lost me there. Yep, lost me. It's a little bit too quick. Jump back in here. Oh, picked me back up. So it took a minute, but it got me back in the frame. And I think it's just due to the lighting back here. The sun is setting, so it'll probably work better if you're in a lighted area, like a all-home office or wherever you might be doing your product reviews or something like that. So as soon as I get over here, it gets a little bit darker. It's going to struggle a little bit maybe. Oh, got me that time, so not too bad. I'm sure they'll do updates in the future for any of the bugs, but keep moving back and forth here, and it keeps following me, so that's cool. I like that a lot. Alright guys, so I'm just going to walk around my backyard here, take a little bit of footage. Like I said, it's the sun setting right now, so it's a little dark. I'm not going to do anything too crazy as far as videoing. This will help out with a little bit of low light video capture. And the screen, it looks like it's doing pretty well. It's definitely darker out right now than it shows on the Pocket screen, the Pocket 2 screen, I should say. Here's an example of maybe vlogging. Like I said, I got the mic attached and it's real easy. Just turn it on and it connects to the do-it-all handle. I did end up getting the combo kit that comes with everything, and I'm pretty glad I did. So if I was vlogging, which I don't do, but if I was vlogging, this is what it would look like. I'm just fully extended right now. And then what I'm going to do is, it did come with the lens to allow the view to be a little bit bigger, so I'm going to go ahead and put that lens on. Now the lens is magnetic, so here's the lens, and bam, pops right on. So you guys can see, I'll go ahead and take it off. Widens up the view a tad bit there. Go ahead, take it off. Go ahead, put it back on. And there you go. So that's the wide angle lens there. That comes with the combo kit. It's pretty cool, gives you a little bit extra space, widens out the background a little bit. I'll go ahead and take it off again. So that's what you're looking at. My arm's fully extended right now. Then I'll put it back on. So that's what it looks like. All right, so another cool thing I want to show you guys is the case that it comes with. Everything, well, not everything, but majority of everything fits inside. I got the lens inside there. I got the phone adapter inside of there. And then pretty cool too, it comes with a tripod, but you can screw the tripod on the side of the case. And then what I do is, with the mic, once everything's inside, I clip the mic right to the top here, like that. The Pocket 2 fits inside of here, so it's all right inside this case here. I can put it in my pocket, take it anywhere I want to go. So really convenient for something that's just real quick. You want to take some video, do a review on something or whatever. So far I like it a lot. The tripod does feel like it's made out of metal, so that's cool. And it is flexible, so you can kind of put it down and then move it around. It swivels. So that's pretty cool. As you guys can see here, my garage is a pretty big mess. Been working on the side-by-side. Been trying to get to putting a kickdown cable on Impala. And I've been trying to get stuff ready for hunting for opening day, November 15th in Michigan. So been pretty busy. Also working, obviously. Now, usually for my videos, I got a Panasonic mirrorless camera, the G7, and then I have my GoPro I usually use. So I'll be using this to do more product reviews and stuff. I think this would be a lot easier and more convenient. Not sure how the picture quality is going to be. Hopefully it turns out all right. But let me know what you guys think. Leave some comments below. What do you guys think of the Pocket 2? Think it's worth $500 for the combo package. I think just the Pocket 2 itself without all the extra accessories is $350. So let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscription button and the like button. Talk to you guys later.